Many learners say, I'm promise, but that's wrong. Let's fix it. I'm promise I'll be there. This sentence sounds very unnatural in English. Use promise as a verb. Just say, I promise. Here is the rule. Just put the subject directly before the verb. Promise is a verb, so you don't need the am or am. For example, I promise to help you tomorrow. More examples. I promise to finish this on time. I promise to arrive on time. Which one is correct? A. I'm promised to go. B. I promise to go. Follow for more. Fix It English.